Hello there, my friend, and welcome. If I could show you how to get your hands on a free copy of a guide that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days, would you be interested in checking it out? If your answer is yes, you're in the right place at the right time. Who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. And what I do is I help moms like you learn the skills to build a successful business so they can fire the boss and actually get to spend more quality time with their children, right? So what I want to do in this video is actually congratulate a fellow mother. I want to congratulate this beautiful, amazing coach and mentor and leader. Imagine this, she went from cleaning toilets. She went from cleaning toilets, minding children, right? She did this to earn enough money to actually start a digital business, right? This digital business. And you'll never believe what happened, right? She went from that situation, right? Busy mom of 3 boys, having to work extra to save enough money to start this program, to earning not 1, not 2, not even 3, but $400,000 in a little more than a year, in 13 months, right? So let me share with you, help me congratulate Victoria, right? Victoria, 4 hours ago, she posted this in our community, okay? She says, in the 400,000 in 13 months unlocked, right? So she says, I keep forgetting to post wins in here. But 2 days ago, I hit $400,000. There's so many new people in here, who haven't heard my story. So she's like, hey, I'm Victoria. I'm a busy boy mama of 3 children. 1 is autistic, 1 has ADHD/ODD, and 1 is a tiny tornado. He never stops, right? She goes on to say, I'm an army wife, and we move every 2 to 3 years. I tried all the work from home jobs before digital marketing. I spent 7 years in an MLM and loved the friends. She loved the friends she made, and she did well there, but she was always glued to her phone. So she then said, okay, enough is enough. She went on to start her online boutique to have something that was hers, and did well. I said, I'm going to start this boutique. I'm going to have something that's mine. I'm going to do well. But I wasn't. She wasn't doing well. In July 2023, last year, right, we were struggling to make ends meet. I hadn't made a sale in my boutique for 6 weeks. 6 weeks she had a boutique. She never made a sale. We needed a new transmission. Do you have a car? Let me know if you have a car. If you have a car, right, you know that one day you can get up and you find you need a new transmission, you need new tires, you need all these things, right? You need to pay rental. And this was her Hail Mary for me. This is when she was like, oh, come on, I need some help. Can you relate to this, right? Can you relate to being in a situation where you're like, okay, somebody out there, I need some help. So send me a rope or something, right? So then she set a goal. Her goal was to make $1,200 a month. Would $1,200 make a difference to you? Type in the comments, 1,200, that would make a difference, right? Will help you pay those extra expenses, right? So when I tell you that my life has completely changed because of this program, those aren't just pretty words, right? We've taken trips we could never before. We are debt-free. We built a house, almost paid in cash. And the reason she posted this one of her days is that she didn't spend the whole money on the house because she wanted to buy some nice things for a house, new house, new furniture and all that, right? And then she got the freedom this business has given my family is unlike anything I've seen before, right? I just want to encourage you She's encouraging me, right? Whether you're new, whether you've been here a while, or whether your situation, whatever your situation might be, doesn't matter what color you are. She doesn't care who you are, where you're from, what you did. She says, you are writing the next chapter in your story. Repeat that. Say this to yourself. Put your hand on your chest and say, I am writing the next chapter in my story, right? And she says, you are in control of it. Say, I am in control of it. I'm so thankful I went all in and I did it scared, right? She did it scared. To God be the glory always, right? For leading me here. She has 51 comments, 117 likes, right? I want to celebrate and congratulate Victoria. You know why? She's inspired me. She's literally inspired me, because if Victoria can do it, so can I. Why? Because I have access to the same proven step-by-step blueprint that she's used. I have access to all the coaches and mentors that she's had. She's actually one of them now. She's become a mentor. So I have access to more than her, right? Because she didn't have herself, she didn't have her mentoring her, but I have her mentoring me, right? I have access to the tools that she used and the support that she had, right? So if she can do it, so can I. I just have to believe. I have to believe in myself. I have to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint. I have to show up for my business, show up for the training, show up. I have to commit to my income producing activities, right? That's what she did. And if she can do it, so can I. If she can do it, so can I. If she can do it, so can I. And if I can do it, so can you. So this is where I invite you, right? Click to join us. Join Victoria and I and hundreds of people like us, right? And the first step won't cost you a penny. Put your wallet away, right? Because what I want to do is I want to give you access to a free copy of our 10K in 30-day guide. That's going to give you an idea of the blueprint that Victoria used, right? Now, I'm going to deliver this guide to your email. So what you need to do is check your spam, your promotion email, because when I deliver this guide, I'm going to give you access to a free version of our private community where there's thousands and thousands of people there sharing the income proofs. You can ask questions, right? Surround yourself with people who are going where you want to go, right? But most importantly, what I want you to do is I want you to respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to get on camera. You can see me. A camera is my friend, right? Camera is my friend. I'm happy to record a video for you and even share my screen, answer any questions that you might have, right? Because I want to help you make an informed decision. I have landed on a gold mine, and I want to share it with you. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.